Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lesson. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to play Thank You by Mettle. Okay, there are some simple bass lines, especially for beginners. So if you're totally a beginner, I recommend you watch the video to the end. There are simple bass lines in the song. Okay, before we start the breakdown, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, DM me. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Da, 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 da. So that's 7-1. Okay, so the lead guitar is going to start. Da, 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 da. That's your 4. 7-1. Okay, so the second one. Okay, that is 2-3-2. Then you have your 6 sharp. That is your toe and your 6. You understand? Okay, so the first one. Da, 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 da. 7-1. Okay, 2-3-2, 7 flat, and the octave 2. Then 6. Okay, 6, 7. Then your 1. Okay, so now let's look at the progression.
I don't know whose testimony this is. I have come to thank you.
Okay, so now the bass line will be coming in. Okay, so get ready. After this one, yeah. So after this one.
So good to me. I have come to thank you. To thank you. Can we all lift our hands wherever you are tonight? Sing with me.
So now let's go. So there was a modulation in the song. Okay, so now you'll be modulating to the next key. That is your C. Okay, so when the singer finishes singing, you will now come to the C. Okay, you'll be modulating from key B to key C. Okay, so this is how you start with the song on key C. You start with your 5-5-1. Remember, you're not on key B anymore. You're now on key C. The song will be modulated to key C. Okay, so 5-5-1. Thank you. Okay, so now let's look at that part. So this is where you'll be ending on key B. Note that. Then your 5-1. Now you're going to your C. So 1-1-5-1. Five, 6, then your 2. You understand? Okay, so the thank you will be like thank you 1-1-5-1. So if you go into your 2, 5-6-2. Okay, so when you don't play in your 2, then you have your 4, your 4 here onto your 5. You understand? Okay, so let me take it slow. Thank you 1-1, then 5-1, then 5-6-6-2, then your 4-4-5. You understand? Okay, so now let's continue. 5-2-4-5-4-3. Okay, 5-2-4-5, then your 4-3. You understand? Okay, so we're going to your 5-1-4. Okay, yeah, so 3-5-1-4. You understand? So 5 1 4. You understand? Okay. Then now to your 6 and 2.
I have come to thank you. Yeah, to thank you. Say it again.
4. Now you're going to your 6 2. So 5 6 2 3 2 5 6 5 6. Then 2 3. Then 2. Then now to your 5. You'll be ending the song. 5 6 2 5 5 1. You understand? Okay. So 1 1 1 1 5 1 5 6 6 2 2 4 4 4 5 2 4 5 4 3. Then to your 5 1 4 5 6 2 3. Then 2 5 6 2 5 5 1. You understand? Okay. So you have been so that is 5 4 3. You have been. Okay. Make sure that your bean will and you end your bean with the 3. So 5 4 3. So you have 5 7 1 4 7 1 3. You have been. Okay. So 3. You understand? So 3 5 6 6 flats 5. Then 1 and your 4. You understand? Okay.
Come to thank you. Yeah. Oh, can we lift it up one more time? Lift your voice, everybody.
4 5 6 2 3 2. Then to your 5 5 1. Okay.
Yes, and thank you.
So now you're modulating to the next key, that is your C sharp. So 5 1 8. Then you continue. Okay. So if you want to modulate to any key, just play on the 5 on the next key. Okay. 5 5. Then your C sharp. You understand? Okay.
Yes, and thank
Go.
Thank you. Oh God, I thank
So now he's doing 1 2 3 progression. Okay. 1 da 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 da. So 1 2 3. So from 1 to 2, he played a very nice feel. 1. That's to your 2. You understand? So you play a 1, then 7 1 7 6 5 2. Just going straight forward to the 3. You understand? Okay. So 3. So 3 5 6 3 5 6 2 3 2. Then out to your 4 and 5 progression. Okay. You understand? Okay. So 2. That's to your 4. 2 7 1 7 5 6 5 4. Then 5 6 2. Then to your 5. Okay. 5 1 2 5 4 7 1 3. You understand? Okay. 5 1 2 5 4 7 1 3. So now let's see on the 5 and 1. So you have 3 5 6 6 flat 5, then 1 4. Okay. So 4, then 2. Okay. 4 5 5 sharp 6, then 2. Okay. Then 5 6 2 5 5, then your 1. You understand? Okay. for all you've done for me. Okay, so you're starting from your 6. 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 5, 1. You'll be starting on 6, so you can play 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 1. Okay.
Everybody say, I have come to thank.
So, okay. 6, 7, dun, 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 dun. Do you understand? 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7. So 6, 7, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 3, 1, 4. Okay, take it slow. Okay, then to your 5. Okay, so 4, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 6, 5, and back to your 1. Okay. So you can learn that 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5. Okay. So a fill to your 6. 2, 3, 5, 3, 7, 6. Then to your 7, 5, 1. Okay. So you do it again. 7, 5, 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 4. Okay. Yeah. 5 then 1. Okay, so master this. Master it, okay? So 6, 6, 5, 4. So 4, 5, 6. Then you play your 4, 5, 4, 2, 6, 5. Okay. Then 6, 5. Okay. Now to your 6. 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 7, 1. Okay. So 1, 3, your 3, and 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5, then your 1. Okay. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6, 5. But you can do it this way. You have your 1, 4, 5, 6, 5. Okay. That's 6, 7, 1. 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 4. Then to your 5. Your 5 and your 1. So he didn't start from 5 now. He said that is your 4 sharp, your 4 and your 3. Okay. Just the same. Okay, I want you to master a few of the bass line that was played or you can master all, or if you'll be singing this in church, this is the right time for you to learn and master the song. Okay, you can also learn this one to your 6, you understand? Okay, and you understand, that's to your 4. Okay, so learn and master them very well. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.